Today, artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's in our smartphones, powering virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. It's in our cars, helping us navigate through traffic and even park. It's in our healthcare systems, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases and suggesting treatments. It's in our homes, automating mundane tasks and making our lives more comfortable. However, it is important to note that this is what we call narrow AI. These AI systems are designed to perform a narrow task, like recommending what song you might want to listen to next, or recognizing who is in a photo. They operate under a limited set of constraints and are only as intelligent as their programming allows. But what about the future? What about general AI? This refers to a type of artificial intelligence that has the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to any intellectual task that a human being can do. It's a concept that is still very much in the realm of science fiction. Imagine an AI that could not only beat humans at chess, but also write a symphony, teach a university course, or even conduct scientific research. This is the promise of general AI. But how far are we from achieving this? The answer is not straightforward. While we have made significant strides in machine learning and neural networks, we are still far from creating an AI that can truly think and reason like a human. There are still numerous challenges to overcome, such as understanding human emotions, creativity, and consciousness. So, what does the future hold for AI usage? One thing is clear: AI will play an increasingly important role in our lives. It will transform industries from healthcare to transportation, from education to entertainment. It will automate mundane tasks, freeing us up to focus on creative and complex problems. It will help us make sense of vast amounts of data, leading to new discoveries and insights. However, with these possibilities come challenges and risks. Issues of privacy, security, and ethics are at the forefront. As we delegate more decisions to AI, we must ensure that these systems are transparent, fair, and accountable. In conclusion, the future of AI is both exciting and daunting. While we are still far from achieving general AI, the advancements in narrow AI have already begun to transform our lives in significant ways. As we look towards the future, we must navigate the path with caution, ensuring that the benefits of AI are reaped while minimizing the potential risks.